Legends of Learning presents the Datalien Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about working with data in up to 3 categories fun, easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you are working in the Datalien Factory, and your job is to oversee the creation of new electronic products from the electronic scrap collected. Be quick, as the factory will continue to deliver the required amount of scrap for you to inspect. But do not worry, you will be able to use your data skills to get you through the job. Use the mouse to click and drag the collector to pick up the following components. Move the collector to the left and right to collect all the parts to build the devices. After collecting the parts, use the green lever and pull it when the correct number is displayed to answer the math question correctly. Use your math skills to complete all the levels to win the game.
What is the total of the particular parts?
Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Level 3 complete.